Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, January 26, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, we have the futures trading higher by about 9.5 points to 28.50 and 3/4 per contract. We have President Trump in Davos. He gave a speech this morning, and again, we'll see how this all plays out. But nonetheless, we are seeing the futures higher, and really that's all that matters. GDP did come out. It was a little bit of a disappointment at 2.6%. Most people were expecting 3%, but that did not happen. We got a 2.6% reading, so that was a little bit of a disappointment, but that may not be all bad for the market. So let's see how this all shakes out today, and we'll see what we get. In the meantime, we have earnings just beginning. Let's take a look at some stocks in the news. Intel is up first today, INTC. They reported earnings. I'm going to have some gap levels for this. Stock is flying high. It closed at $45.30. It is now trading at $48.13. I will have gap resistance levels ready to go at 9 a.m. They are done already. Next one up we're going to take a look at is going to be Starbucks. SBUX is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $57.51. Closed at $60.55, so Starbucks trading lower. I should have some levels ready. I'm going over those right after I get done with this video, but they are mostly done here. So again, we will be playing Starbucks today in the intraday stock chat room. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We have had great action this week, and it should even get better as the bigger companies are still yet to report. Let's take a look at Western Digital. WDC is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $88.20. It closed at $87.90, so got a slight little uptick. I'm not sure I see all that much here for Western Digital at the moment. Really has to get a little bit higher for my liking, but nonetheless, it will be in play today. We'll keep it on the radar. A couple levels I think you got to watch for today in this name will be probably 90.50. If it could get above 90.50 on an hourly close, that could be somewhat important, but we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Colgate CL is the ticker symbol here. Colgate Palmolive. Stock right now is trading at $74. It closed at $77.31. That's a pretty good haircut for the stock. I will have levels ready for this name as well. So again, this is in play. A lot of times when Colgate slips, you'll also look at Procter & Gamble. That's trading at $88.26. KMB, which is Kimberly-Clark, could be in play today as well, so we'll keep these all on the radar. Let's take a look here at Honeywell. They reported earnings. I think they beat by a penny, but it doesn't matter. It only matters what the market is doing. Right now, the stock is trading at $162.80, so Honeywell has been on a tear. It's up a little bit, about another buck from yesterday's close. And again, Honeywell is holding up pretty well. I still think there's more upside in the cards for this name. Next one here, we're going to take a look at KLAC. And this is KLA 10 Core. Stock right now is trading at $110, closed at $113.09. So this is a little bit of a haircut. I think I have a level ready to go on this one. I'm seeing it now. I will post it up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. Next one we're going to take a look at is E-Trade, ETFC. E-Trade right now trading at around 53.25. Not a whole lot we're going to do with this one right now. It's a little bit long in the tooth. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's really no play on it yet. But we will look at this one once the opening bell rings. So keep it on the radar. It still could be in play at some point today. Let's take a look at Maxim, MXIM. This stock, Maxim Integrated, is trading right now at $57.70, closed at $55.12. Good move. The stock is in an uptrend, but it's getting long in the tooth. If you own it, trail the stop loss. There's nothing I'm looking to do with it off the cuff here, but we will watch this one once the opening bell rings. Keep Bed Bath & Beyond on the radar, BBBY. This got downgraded today, I believe. That's a pretty good fall. Stock closed at $23.03. Now trading at $22. So again, that's a pretty good haircut. This gets down to $21.25. I probably could. I'm looking to possibly be a buyer here at $21.25 on a day trade. So just giving you guys a heads up there for BBBY, which is Bed Bath & Beyond. So keep that on the radar today. Stock right now is trading at 22 bucks. All right, I think I covered everything stock-wise. There's probably a few others out there. I believe Nike is in play today. Bill Ackman taking a position in Nike. I don't know if that's a good thing. Stock right now is trading at 68.28, but either way, it's been a high flyer for a while here, so Nike's been very, very strong. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting hit today, down $12 to $1,350 an ounce. A lot of the gold move happened yesterday after spot gold closed, and we had some comments come out of President Trump regarding the dollar. Also, Steve Mnuchin this week has also talked about the dollar. So again, gold right now trading at 128.18 on the GLD. It closed yesterday at 127.97, so we're basically right at that level. But most of the gold move happened yesterday after it closed on the COMEX. Let's go over to crude oil. Crude oil up 4 cents today to $65.55 a barrel. Crude continues to remain very, very strong. We'll see how it plays out today. If you want to track crude oil, watch the USO. There's a good ETF for tracking the movement in crude. That's trading at $13.12 this morning, up from $13.06 at the close. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. We'll also be looking at airline stocks today. They were hit pretty hard yesterday. They could be in focus today. So lots of stuff happening. And again, we'll see how it all plays out. With that being said, everybody, have a wonderful, wonderful session, and we will see you on the charts.